Here comes the spelling bee buzzing through the town, flying here and flying there, spelling all around. Buzz on the tree, let's spell what we see. T-R-E-E, tree. Buzz by the sun, shiny, bright, and fun. S-U-N, sun. Buzz to the house, cozy as can be. H-O-U-S-E, house. Buzz near the dog, wagging tail in the fog. D-O-G, dog. Buzz by the car, zooming fast and far. C-A-R, car. Buzz, 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 what a day it's been. Our spelling bee flew out and in. We spelled our words from A to Z. Great job, friends. You're smart as a bee.